Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by making sure the platform is current and safe. Update Chrome OS, then enable Linux Beta so you can install advanced tools. This gives you terminal access and dev packages. Create a recovery USB now in case an update fails. Sign into your Google account and enable sync so bookmarks, apps, and settings flow across devices. Once done, enable Smart Lock and a reliable password. These first actions let you continue confidently into performance and power optimizations. Next, you optimize speed and capability through targeted installs and browser tuning. Install desktop-grade apps via Linux, a code editor, media tools, and FFmpeg for conversion. Use Flatpak for newer packages. Adjust Chrome flags to enable hardware-accelerated video decode and tab throttling so background tabs use less CPU. Free storage by uninstalling unused Android apps, clearing downloads, and moving media to an SD or external drive. Make sure to reboot after major installs so kernel modules and GPU changes take. Finally, lock in battery life and smooth hardware behavior. Tweak power settings, shorter display timeout, dim on idle, and enable adaptive charging when supported to preserve battery health. Calibrate external monitors and set correct scaling. Pick higher quality Bluetooth codecs like AAC or aptX if your Chromebook and headset support them. If something breaks, use the recovery USB, perform a power wash as a last resort, and inspect crash logs to diagnose drivers or extension conflicts. That troubleshooting path will get you back to a working system quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.